Hey, what's poppin', everybody? We are back with a new episode. Back in Los Campeones, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Man, every time I get in this bitch, it's just the vibe in here and gets you going a little bit. You know, and my boy, shout out to my boy every time for getting me my ass in here, all right? We're hitting the chest day. It was supposed to be a leg day, but guys, you gotta listen to your fucking body. If you're not feeling, I was still feeling a little sore from the last leg day, and I'm just not trying to risk an injury, guys. Like, you know, I don't want to be that dumbass who just comes in here and tries to ego lift and put on a show for motherfuckers that, first off, I don't even know none of these motherfuckers, right? And second off, it's like, I'm trying to minimize as much risk of injury as possible. So we're gonna start with an incline bench here, and then from there, I don't know what numbers I'm gonna hit today. I'm gonna try to go for, again, I'm going higher rep ranges for a bit. So let's get this shit rolling, y'all. All right, let's do this. Let's see what we're getting today, all right? Oh, set one. All right, I don't even know how much reps I got there, y'all, but that's what I call a good fucking set. Let's do it. Set two in this motherfucker. Honestly, that first set was feeling good. I got around, actually, I didn't even count. I think I got like 14 to 16 though, around there. So shit, we'll go for 15, all right? But this time, I'm gonna see what I got. We took a good little break there. And again, guys, take your fucking breaks if you're trying to hit some numbers, all right? Let's see what we got here. Ugh, come on. That's what I'm fucking talking about, y'all. Look, that one was a little bit more on point. I had my shoulders really squeezed back behind my back. Try to get my lats engaged, because y'all, get your lats engaged if you're really trying to get this shit down to the dot, all right? That's how we do it, set two. All right, y'all, set three in this bitch. You know it's getting serious. I had to take the shirt off. Motherfucker's getting hot as a bitch in here, all right? So, oh, enough talking, y'all. Let's just get this shit rolling. Come on. Ugh. Ooh. That's it. Woo. Look, that's how you should try to end your sets, y'all. When you get to that point where, even if you're fucking halfway, you know, just call it like that, all right? Set two. Look, my guy had me doing some fucking bar sit-ups over there, and my core is still on fire. That shit was like 5-10 minutes ago now. Man, all that's telling me is I gotta work on this shit a little bit more, y'all. So, slowly but surely, we gonna get this shit rolling, all right? But let's get it. Set two of these motherfuckers. Let's see what we got. Whoa. Woo. We got 10 and some pumps. Again, y'all, when you're trying to juice out the rest of your fucking muscle, those little pumps are valid as fuck to get down, all right? Don't sleep on that shit. And last but not least, y'all, let's finish this shit off. I'm done with this shit, y'all. My shoulders feel like they're gonna fall off the bone right now. Like a nice plate of ribs from fucking Kansas City. Let's get this shit rolling. Come on. Woo! Guys, if you aren't going down on reps on that last set, you ain't going heavy enough, y'all. That's how we fucking shoulder press. All right, y'all know the drill. We're moving on to these push downs with the easy bar. Again, guys, this is just gonna work it in the shortened position here. So we're gonna be hitting more of the, I believe it's the fucking short head of the vessel, right? Kind of goes hand in hand with it. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, that's it. That's all we need right there. Set one down. Let's keep it pushing. Last set of this shit, you know, we trying to only go for 3 sets to really save some of that tricep. Some of that tricep work for the next press to finish it off, all right? Let's get it. Oh, come on, see what we got. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's how we fucking need, y'all. Let's go finish this off. One last exercise. These are some of my fucking favorite chest exercises here, cuz it's something about you can feel that shit tear your muscle open, and it's like, that's where you get the real fucking gains, y'all, all right? Let's see what we got. mean, make sure when you're stretching this shit out, you wanna go all the way back, like I said, to really tear that fucking chest open, all right? That's how we do set 1. Set 2 in this bitch. It's been a good day so far, y'all, so we're gonna finish this shit off strong. I'm gonna just keep juicing out how much ever reps I got. We're not even counting this. Let's get it. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Set 2 down. Let's get it, y'all. Fuck, I'm about to say last set. We still got 2. We got 2 more. 1 more after this one, all right? Let's get this shit rolling. We gotta get our asses moving. Oh, that's it, bro. Jesus Christ. Let's finish this shit off. Cook off the rest of this chest real quick. Going until we can't. Yet again, no counting. Ooh, let's see what we got. Come on. I'm fucking talking about, y'all. That's how you finish off a bitchin' ass push day. I'm gonna go finish off with a little punch of a solo, but thank y'all for tapping in. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Go like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. I appreciate everybody, all right? Adios, you guys.